Hey everyone, I am Dr. Brenda Whitehead with Prof Chat Academic Coaching, and I'm so glad you're here with me. Today we are talking about the holiday break. Yeah, it's called a break, but let's be honest. In the midst of the craziness that is often the holiday season, these few weeks without classes and papers and exams can feel less like a breather and more like a tornado. So what can you do during your holiday break that can help you first recover from the doozy that is finals week, and second, make sure you are mentally and emotionally ready for the next term that is just around the corner? Here is your holiday recovery checklist. First, be purposeful. Take charge of this time and refuse to let it be chipped away by every demand that comes along. Figure out your priorities and say yes to the things that support those priorities, but no to the things that don't. Second, be lazy. Give yourself time to recover. This might mean sleeping in, binging that Netflix show that you've been wanting to catch up on, or even planning that video game marathon with your buddies. Just make sure you have a few days where you can do nothing except what lazy you would do. Third, be festive. Whatever you celebrate, find a way to catch the festive vibes that are circulating during the holiday season. Belt out those holiday songs at the top of your lungs. Rock that ugly Christmas sweater, or just drive around and admire the holiday lights. Find a way to connect with that all is good with the world part of yourself that all too often gets stuffed down in the midst of college and adult life. Fourth, be kind. One of the best ways to boost our own mental health is to get out of our own heads and into the lives of others. Find an angel tree and buy a gift for a local child in need. Volunteer to serve a holiday meal at the homeless shelter. Get some friends and family together and go caroling at the nursing home. Or if animals are more your style, spread some holiday cheer by snuggling up with a shelter pup. You will be amazed how much helping others helps you too. 5, be reflective. Once you've had a chance to recover and have a little bit of fun during your holiday break, take a moment to pause and reflect. The new year always seems to naturally put us in this self-assessment zone, but don't get too caught up in resolutions that you'll just break in 3 weeks. Simply jot down some thoughts to questions like this. First, is there anything I'd like to do differently in the coming term? And if so, how can I go about making that change happen? Next, what brought me joy last term? And how can I make sure I do more of that in the next term? Another really helpful reflection exercise can be a really simple assessment of how things are going in the major domains of your life. A really simple way to do this is to draw yourself a circle and cut that circle into pie or pizza slices that represent the major domains in your life. I have a few examples here of what represent major domains for a lot of people, but you can substitute any of these out or add some in that more specifically fit you and where you are. So the way this kind of assessment works is the more full or colored in the pie slice, the better you feel that area of your life is going. And often you will find that certain pie slices are going really well, they're really full, whereas others may be a little bit more empty. And this is a visual way for you to notice areas in your life that you might want to devote a bit more time and energy to going forward. Now, if this time of reflection has you questioning your major or career path, this video is probably one you should watch next. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit that like button and have a wonderful holiday season.